Governor Cuomo announced the closure of all New York City playgrounds, saying that people need to follow social distancing rules. Open spaces, though, surrounding those playgrounds will remain open. Right now in New York State, more than 12,000 people are hospitalized infected with coronavirus, and 3,000 of those patients are in the ICU. And while the governor expects the apex to hit in late April, he cited projections that show the death toll in New York could reach a devastating toll of 16,000 people by the time this is all over. Now back to the crackdown on those playgrounds. It comes as there is more evidence that people are failing to comply with those all-important social distancing rules. CBS 2's Dave Carlin live for us on the West Side to explain. Dave?
Christine, getting all New York playgrounds emptied out, that is a big priority. Another priority is getting medical supply closets in hospitals filled up. Those were the major announcements from the governor and the mayor today.
We still need 3.3 million N95 masks to come in by Sunday to prepare us for the week ahead. We need 2.1 million surgical masks. We need 100,000 isolation gowns. We have continued to get a very substantial supply of ventilators, but we still need 400 more to be in place by Sunday.
Pounding home the seriousness of proper social distancing, the governor's tone turned testy, talking about those who keep congregating, including while outside. So now, playgrounds are padlocked or otherwise declared off limits.
We're going to close down the city playgrounds and leave the open spaces available. So use the open space in a park, walk around, get some sun, great. No density, no basketball game. What we're looking at now is the apex, top of the curve, roughly at the end of April, which means another month of this.
The governor said a different model finds 16,000 New Yorkers could die of the virus, which the governor thinks might be on the low side when you consider wide-ranging predictions for deaths nationwide, numbering anywhere from 100,000 to 200,000. The governor had this to say about what begins to bounce us back from this, to restart the economy and ease uncertainty and fear.
My opinion is the best way to do that is to come up with a rapid testing procedure where people can test, that people can do at home, so you can take the test, know where you are, and we can start ending this terrible situation that we're in.
The governor said he envisions a day where teleeducation and telemedicine are enhanced with more medical research, better stockpiles of medical supplies, and higher staffing levels for first responders and healthcare workers.
Our challenge is to make sure that transformation and that change is positive.
Announced by Mayor de Blasio late today is that James O'Neill, the former police commissioner, is coming back. He will be an advisor for coronavirus in the area of hospital supply and the chain of getting ventilators and masks to the health professionals who desperately need them. Live on the West Side, Dave Carlin, CBS 2 News.